Guys, it's been Will, and today I'm gonna share with you how to upload your video using Python code to your specific brand account under your Google account. In order to be able to use code and using the YouTube API to upload videos to your YouTube channel, basically what you need to go is to go to this console.cloud.google.com and make a project. You need a project to make this work, so let's just add a new project. What is the project name? YouTube upload. YouTube upload. Okay, just use it to upload and no organization, of course. I don't belong to any organization, so just using no organization and just creating it. I actually created one, but I messed up with some of the settings, so I just delete those and created another one. Anyway, just select the project right now, and now we have to create an open authentication consent string. Open authentication consent string. Where is that? You just type auth client. Yeah, we have to go through this auth consent. We cannot use internal one, we have the external one. Create. And what is the N? I have to think about something that's really cool. Probably suppose something like YT upload. Super cool name. Just me. Have logo, doesn't care. Have domain, I don't think we need that. Developer contact, which is just me, you know. Localized learning at gmail.com. So we continue. So what we need is just YouTube. So just add YouTube. There's nothing. Like this, suddenly, no YouTube thing. YouTube API should be YouTube. We need YouTube data API v3. We need to enable it. Yes, okay. So basically, just go to YouTube. Okay. Now it actually appears. You have to enable it first. I'm sorry about that. And update. So just add everything. And because sometimes we need to know what exactly is the video categories, and then we have to create playlists or something. So we probably will need some of these privileges later. If you can, add or remove, and if you can come back to the console and add and remove privileges or permissions, you need that or don't need that. I think just for personal use, I just add everything. Anyway, I just add everything. Who cares? Okay, add it, and test user, I have to add myself, otherwise I cannot use that. Which is localized learning at gmail.com. That's my email. That's send me an email if you want. Okay, it's now added. I think so, right? Add. Yeah. Okay, add it and save and continue. Okay, this is basically a summary. External app name and support email and scopes, which uses the YouTube data API. We need that because we need to do something with our account on YouTube, upload videos and all that. So that's basically what back to dashboard. As you can see right now on my screen, this is basically my YouTube channel. I just created a separate page about me working online and self-employee and do a little trading. So if you have time, just take a look. So basically, this channel, my YouTube channel, is a channel that I'm gonna use as the test channel for this video. So basically, I will use Python script using YouTube API to upload videos. And if you go into this website URL, it basically is my account google.com/brand account. You can see I have two YouTube channels. One is the Will Earns Online, which is the channel that we're gonna use, and have another account. And if you see that there's something called brand account here, that means that it's a YouTube channel. And here there's a parenthesis saying that limited to YouTube. That is because after 2021, specifically I think it's August or something, after that brand account is only limited to YouTube. And before that, the brand account had some other functionalities, but I'm not using that, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm focusing on this. So if we click on it, you view the account page. There will be your name. So this name is important. We have to note it down. And here is the account email. I don't think that we are gonna use that in this video, but it's actually a good thing to note it down. That's all. And after that, we have to jump back to our YouTube account and go to settings, advanced settings. There will be your user ID and your channel ID. It's important. I have to note it down because we're gonna use it as parameters for some certain functions. All right. So after gathering all this necessary information for your account, let's jump right into the code. Right now you can see my code here. Now this is the interactive windows that we are gonna, using this to execute our code. So it's actually very responsive. And these are all the packages that's required and will be used here. So if you don't have that, you can just run this pip install all the packages here. But if you are using conda, just like I do, I'm using mini conda. So first you need to go back to the base environment. I'm currently in my virtual environment of env. So let me just deactivate it. After that, you have to run conda, update conda, and it will update the conda for you. After that, you just activate upload env and run conda update --all yes. After that, you can just run conda install and install all these packages right here. And one drawback of all this thing, although it is officially supported, officially developed, there's some issues of backward compatibility. And it changes something. Sometimes you will have issues of couldn't find this module or that function or something like that. So it's important to keep a working combination of versions of different packages you mentioned here. And luckily, if you're using conda at this time point 2023 to 19, everything works fine. I will just show you the versions of all the packages, that is, the relevant packages, and you just, use this number and it will work. So these are the packages and these are the version number. That, in my case, it will work at this time point. So you can take a note or something, and it will work at this combination. All right, so after we finish installing all the necessary packages, we can just import that. Let me just pull this in to clear everything and run it. Okay, now it's been run. Okay, and these are the scopes. I just threw every scopes in here because I don't want to debug the scope issues. So I just dump it here. But I will be specific about the scope thing and when we're talking about the functions down here. And you will find the scopes, I think here. Yeah, these are basically all the scopes right here. I just use everything. So after defining our scopes here, and this is the client secret file. Tips for if you are using Windows, and there's a folder called C:user. Don't put your things on this folder because sometimes it does not work, because this \u is some special characters in Windows and it will integrate it as special function or something. And it's really hard to escape that. There are a lot of methods on Stack Exchange, but none of them actually work for me. So I just avoid putting things there. The test video that we're interested in. So let me just show you for better engagement of all these videos, what the video is gonna be uploaded. So basically just looking straight and blinking my eyes is 2 seconds. Anyway, very deep and profound video, I know. So just like on that, and here is the brand account information. And this is the authentication, the open authentication. Content. So basically we just authenticate and create an instance of YouTube. So basically we handle all the endpoint requests us and also handling errors for us. So it's actually very good to have. Category 22 means people and blog. And if you want to know the complete list of the current category list for US, this is basically for the US one. And if you want that, there's a get category ID. You can just run this code and you will get the category. So let me just quickly run it and show you guys what exactly it's going on. And this is basically the category ID. Let's jump right into the function. So we're gonna talk about the function and just run it. So this is basically to authenticate. This is authentication workflow and create a YouTube instances which will handle the endpoint request for us. And here is the body. It's basically the body of the request. And what you need is the title, the description, the text, category ID, and also the status. And now we have to upload the video. We use the function provided by Google Media File Upload, and you will upload it as the upload object media, and we attach it into our request and execute it.